It's fall time, which means Halloween is right around the corner. Boo! And I'm here with Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. We're talking about some delicious recipes that would be good for Halloween time. And today we are starting with some ribs, but we're gonna make the sauce for the ribs. And it's got some good stuff in it, like peach.
We are. We're doing the ribs in the next segment. And I thought we'd start out with these two sauces and give two choices. You're going to make this one. This is 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce.
Okay.
You're going to put in 1/4 cup of peach preserves in there.
Am I putting it with this one or this one?
Oh, use this one.
Okay,
that
perfect.
will help you scrape it out of there.
Here we go.
And then I'll add this for you. This is a little bit of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon.
Yummy.
And you can mix that together and do that one. And I have a honey mustard smoky one over here. And it's 1/4 cup of mustard, 1/4 cup of honey. And to that, I'm going to add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of soy sauce again, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of smoke flavoring, and stir that up. Now, you get to decide how much jalapenos to put in there. I chop those up, and that's where the sizzle comes in. How hot do you want it?
I think we're going to try all of them.
Okay, great.
Hopefully I don't regret this later. Stir that in.
And that's all there is to these two recipes. So we have these here for choices for our dipping sauces. I made these ahead of time. And then the next segment, we're going to make these wonderful ribs.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Well, that's coming up next. And if everybody wants to find more information about these recipes, where can they go?
They should go to kansassoybeans.org.
All right. Thanks so much, Charlene. We'll be right back.
Get the latest news, weather, and sports at WIBW.com or follow WIBW on Twitter, Facebook, and our mobile app. Thank you for making 13 News This Morning the most watched morning news